Ready for bed?
Yep.
Is all your homework done?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I love you. See you in the morning.
Love you too. Good night.
Night.
Conda, Estrada, Montos, Conda.
Holy buckets. Deadites are back. I better get the chainsaw. Now where did I put that chainsaw? Attic. Should really change that out. No chainsaw. Tough truck. Sleeping bag. Shovel. Shotgun. Champagne. Cross. Nope, no chainsaw. Work shed. Nope, no chainsaw. Huh? What's that? That's gonna be a problem. Ah, hey there, Sugar Whistle. I haven't seen my chainsaw anywhere, have you?
Did you lend it to Mike?
Ah, yeah, maybe I'll check on that.
What happened to your hand?
Oh, there was a little incident in the yard. It's gonna be fine. I'm gonna have to take care of this. I'm calling the police now. This calls for a handoff. It's bedtime, Bonzo.
Yeah, hey there, Mikey. I was wondering if I happen to have lent you my chainsaw. What's that? Oh, you do have it. Excellent. Well, I'll come by tomorrow. All right. Take care. God. No. No. No! Oh. Time to get a chainsaw. Let's go.
Hey, Uncle Ash.
Hey, how's it going, Annie?
What happened to your hand?
Oh, it had to take a permanent leave of absence, but maybe it'll grow back. Anyway, I'm here to pick up my chainsaw. Your dad said it was in the garage. Could you open it up for me?
I'll ask Ryla too. She caught a deadite last night, and it's in there tied up.
Okay, all right. Hey, Ryla. What you up to?
I caught a demon. I lured him with crackers.
What do you plan on doing with it?
We could stomp him.
We could strangle him.
We could drag him from the back of the pony.
We could zap him with the bug zapper.
We could take a blowtorch to him.
We could toss him down a well. We could feed him to the fish.
We could run him over with a lawnmower.
We could hit him with a hammer. We could chop him up in a blender.
We could strap him to a rocket and send him to the moon.
We could boil him in oil.
We could dynamite him.
Hold on. I have a better idea. Hey, darling. Your ass is grass.
Can I help?
Sure, kid. Stay right in there. Square her up for you. Alright, you want a nice cut right to the jugular right there. That's top notch. That's one deadite. Mind if I take the chainsaw home? I got a demon problem in my neck of the woods.
Sure thing.
Give me a stump up. Ba-da-ta-ta-ta-ta. Feeling groovy. I'm alright. Just fine.